today's episode, let's look into 6 miraculous uses of aloe vera in gardening. All of us know the numerous benefits of aloe vera to the human body. So, what if I told you that aloe vera can provide many of those same benefits to plants as well? Coming up. Aloe vera is sometimes known as the plant of immortality because of its properties to heal, soothe, and refresh. This is because aloe vera is rich in nutrients, enzymes, and antioxidants that offer numerous benefits to the human body. So, what if I told you that aloe vera can provide many of those same benefits to the plants too? Yes, it's true. Let's list out the top 6 benefits of aloe vera for plants and your garden. At number 6, seed germination. Aloe vera is not only a rooting agent but also promotes healthy seed germination and strong seedlings. Watering your seeds and seedlings once in a week will improve the overall growth and yield. Mix 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel per liter of water or 1 tablespoon per gallon. Spray this over the seedlings or water them once weekly. At number 5, plant immunity. Aloe vera gel is fully loaded with over 75 useful nutrients and enzymes like amino acids, antioxidants, calcium, magnesium, zinc, salicylic acid, and so on. High levels of asmannan and saponins found in aloe vera provide antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. This helps to protect plants and confers resistance or immunity against certain harmful microbes, fungi, yeast, mold, blight, and so on. Just water the plants once in a while, like once in a month, with aloe vera solution and see the difference. It not only gives resistance against diseases but also boosts overall growth and health of the plant. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel per liter of water or a quarter cup per gallon of water. Mix it well and water your plant. If you start this in early growth stage of a plant, it's actually much beneficial in the long run. At number 4, Transplant Shock. Certain high levels of antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral compounds found in aloe vera help plant recover from transplant shock. A plant goes into transplant shock when you repot it or transplant it from one place to another. The plant looks wilted and unhealthy after transplant. To help recover from this shock, you can water your plant with aloe vera solution at least once after repotting. Repeat this after 3 to 4 days if necessary. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel per liter of water or a quarter cup per gallon of water. Mix it well and water your plant. At number 3, fertilizer. You can either make a soil drench or a foliar spray. To make a soil drench, take some fresh aloe vera leaves and cut them into pieces and throw them into the blender and add some water. You don't need to peel them. Add half a cup of this gel to 1 gallon of water or 2 tablespoons per liter of water and water your plants with this solution once 15 days. Make sure you drench this within half an hour of making because if exposed to air, fresh aloe vera gel quickly ferments and begins to degrade. The second preparation is a foliar spray or foliar feeding your plants to help them absorb these beneficial nutrients directly through the leaf stomata. You need to make a fresh aloe vera solution like 1 tablespoon per liter of water or quarter cup per gallon of water. You need to sieve this to prevent your sprayer getting clogged. Mix it well before spraying. Spray more on the underside of the leaves because leaf stomata or openings are more concentrated on the underside. Spray this in the evenings to avoid quick evaporation in the presence of sunlight. At number 2, natural rooting agent. The salicylic acid and other antibacterial and antifungal compounds help promote rooting faster. There are many methods to use aloe vera gel for rooting. Let's look at them one by one. Firstly, dipping the cuttings into fresh aloe vera gel and inserting them into the soil. I recommend you to soak the cuttings for few hours into the aloe vera gel and then plant the cuttings into the soil. This will not only promote faster root development, but also the success rate of rooting cuttings is high because aloe vera fights fungal rot. The second method is just inserting the cuttings into a small piece of aloe vera leaf and plant the whole thing into the soil to achieve the same results. Thirdly, a piece of aloe vera can be used for air layering to multiply your favorite plant with great success. Just wrap a piece of aloe vera leaf and wrap around soil or toilet paper and then tie the ends. You can watch a detailed video on this topic from a card linked here or from description below. At number 1, pesticide. Aloe vera gel alone may not act as a potent pesticide to fight all pests and diseases. You need to add other natural agents to make it a powerful organic pesticide that fights common garden pests like aphids, mealybugs, whiteflies, and so on. Let's quickly learn how to make this organic pesticide using aloe vera leaves plus 5 more ingredients from your kitchen. Take fresh aloe vera leaves and cut into small pieces and drop approximately 1 bowl into your blender. Drop 4 to 5 green chilies, add 1 large onion, add 1 full garlic, add 1 bowl of neem leaves if you have. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of turmeric powder or fresh turmeric rhizomes if you have. Add a cup of water and blend into a fine paste. Sieve this solution and collect the extract. Mix 100 ml of this to 1 liter of water or 300 to 400 ml of it per gallon and spray it on the affected plants. You can repeat this after 4 to 5 days. Please like, share and comment below with your feedback and queries. Happy gardening!